In this lab concentration series of solutions, I used a packet of Kool-Aid, I used a 1-cup measuring cup, a small medicine cup that has 4 teaspoons. So in the first solution, I mixed the whole pack of Kool-Aid, which is 3.6 grams, with 350 milliliters of water. The formula for Kool-Aid we assumed was just sugar, so it's C12H22O11, which gives us a molar mass of 342. To find out how many moles is in that, I divided 3.6 grams by 342, which is the molar mass, to get 0.01 moles. Now for the molarity, it's the moles of solute divided by liters of solution. So I took the 350 milliliters and made that into 0.35 liters. So it's 0.01 moles divided by 0.35 liters, which gives us a molarity of 0.03. In the first daughter solution, I called it D1, I used 10 milliliters from the mother solution, and I used 350 milliliters of water. So I use the solution, or the formula, M1V1 equals M2V2, which gives us the original molarity of 0.03 M times 10 milliliter from the original solution equals M2 times 360. We got the 360 from the original 350 milliliters plus the 10 milliliters used from the original solution. And so when we solve for M2, we get 0.008 molarity. Now D2, the second daughter solution, I used 20 milliliters of the D1 solution. I used 250 milliliters of water this time so that I didn't dilute it too fast and it doesn't get too clear. I again used the formula M1V1 equals M2V2, which is 0.0008 molarity times 20 milliliters equals M2 times 270 milliliters. Again, we got 270 by adding the original 20 milliliters plus the 250 milliliters of water I added. That gives us a molarity of 0.00006. On the third one, the third daughter, called it D3, I used 30 milliliters from the D2 solution in this one, and again used 250 milliliters of H2O. I used the formula M1V1 equals M2V2, so we have 0.00006 molarity times 30 milliliters equals M2 times 280 milliliters, the 250 milliliters plus the 30 from the D2 solution. When we solve for M2, we get a molarity of 0.000007. And finally, D4, I used 40 milliliters from the D3 solution, and I used 250 milliliters of water. Again, use the formula M1V1 equals M2V2, which is 0.000007 molarity times 40 milliliters equals M2 times 290 milliliters. When we solve for M2, we get 0.000001 molarity. And so you can kind of see, I put the white paper behind it. It's kind of hard to see with the other background. But that is all 5 of them. Thank you.